So good day everyone, I am Alison Jan Perales and I am here to present our website using the Django and some Python. So let me introduce you the Pizzaline website. So welcome to the Pizzaline website. This website is for Delivery Express. You would be able to order your favorite pizza. So let's get right into it. So first, when you open our web, this would be the index or the dashboard you would see, or the landing page. So here, this is our menu. As you can see, makita naman tanan dira, and categories. So muna lang mga info sa mga pizza. Click order now. And you can see the bottom right here. So this is the all pizza. So let's click the next page and cart. So makita naman diri mong mga kuan. So try tag order. Makapili kag mga sizes, so medium, thin and crispy, and also extra toppings, bacon, pepperoni, chicken, and extra cheese. Add to cart. So makita nimo tanan diri og pila total sa imong gi-order. So before ka mo check out, need ka mo sign in para maka-check out ka. So sign in. Password. So, nakasold na ka sa imong kuhan, account, sa imong cart. Makita niyo yung gi-order kaniha. So, proceed to check out. So, complete your order. Makita na naman dali. Yan, type your delivery address. So, let's say Toledo City. Consolatrix College, and contact number. So delivery notes optional lang eh. So leave it at the guard house. Okay. Cash on delivery. Place order. So this is your order number. Back to orders. So tara, pending. So let's go to my admin. You can also edit your profile. Your date of birth. So save changes. So makita niyo mga mga kausaban dere. May mga update. So admin panel, dashboard. This is the dashboard. Categories, add category, save, cross, say 20, pizzas, add pizza, so you can choose the image, save, small, medium, large, extra large, pizza sizes, so makita naman dali. Save. So 4 seconds, makita naman dali, toppings, and let's click the menu. So dara imong demo makita dali. Let's click again the demo admin panel. You can edit to ano, it's saved, view menu, so my orders, so this is my order, out for delivery na. This is the total amount of your orders. So back to orders, home, so done. So that's all for our website. Thank you.